Hello everyone. So I wanted to show us do my unboxing for this. Don't mind me, I already opened it too. I wanted to do my unboxing for this and then show us how to assemble the garment steamer. So in my box I have this, and then this. Then I also have like something that looks like a tripod. So this is how this looks. Let me untie the wire, the cable. Great. So this is what we have. So the first thing we're going to do is put in our pole. The pole looks very, very much like a tripod. So by the time I open it up, this is how long it is. And then I'm just going to lock it back and put it in here. So the pole has like the smaller part. This is the smaller part which should be on top, and then the bigger part which should be in there. And then this one stays on top of the pole. So I'm just going to open this up and then reduce the length and put this in because I want you to see how I'm doing it. Like this. So it stays like this on the pole. Now for us to put this part of the wire would go in here. You put it in like this. If you look here, it has this part that is protruding on like 4 different sides of it. So I'm just going to find one part, because if I find one part, it fits into the other part. So I put this in and then I turn it to make sure that it is locked. Now I can't remove it anymore. And then this goes here like this. You know, it hangs here like this. So this part is where we put our water. So I'm just going to open this up and pour water into that place. I'm not filling this up because I just want to show you how. And then I cover up like this. Now if I turn it, the water begins to pour from here, so I need to quickly put this in like this. So I'm going to plug the wire so that, you know, it can come on. I've plugged it, so I'm just going to turn this around like this, and then it comes on. So let me come closer. Everything here is written in Chinese, like, even though I'm going to put a screenshot of the translation so that you see what it is like different fabrics. So when I turn over here, with the translation I'm going to put, you would know like what to do with each fabric. Another thing you can do is take a picture of this, upload it to Google Translate, and it will translate everything for you so that you know what you're doing, so that you don't go and use the one for maybe linen, for jean, you know, different stuff like that. Because I've turned it on now, you can see that it has steam coming out of here. Let me put this directly. Oops. So you can see that. So that means that it is on and ready to use. So I'm just going to use it on a fabric so that you can see how it works. So I tried it on this red fabric and it came out good. I actually did an Ankara before, but I'm like, if I use Ankara, you will not see me, like, you won't see the lines straightening out. So I tried it here and it worked. So I would say that this is a really good investment, like, especially if you're a brand that is constantly going for pop-ups, runway shows and all of that. This is a very great investment so that your clothes look really good. You cannot be giving client excuse and be saying, oh, we just brought it out of the bag, that's why it's rumpled. If you have this, you don't need to give excuses. So yeah, I'm happy I got this. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure you subscribe and share to, you know, someone that's trying to make a decision on whether to get a garment steamer or not. I think they should. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.